How to fix iCloud sign out option not available due to restrictions on iPhone or iPad. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iCloud sign out option not available due to restrictions on your iPhone or your iPad. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your settings. On your settings, what you'll need to do is scroll down and then you'll find an option called screen time. Tap on screen time. And on your screen time, you can scroll down again, and there you should find an option that says content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that, and here you will need to make sure that your content and privacy restrictions is turned off. So try turning this off for once. And after you do that, go back and check if the sign out option is now available. If not, come back here, go to content and privacy restrictions. Then you can scroll down and here you'll find your option that is your passcode and face ID. Make sure that this is turned on allowed. Make sure each and every one of these section is turned to allow. Make sure none of these are on don't allow. And the same goes for your privacy section. Do that. And after you do that, you don't really need to turn this off. But again, for your video, for your sake, you can try to go back to your cloud by turning this on, and then if that does not work, come back here, turn this off, and then go and check for the sign out option. So let's go and check for our sign out option on our account here. If I scroll down there, you will see the sign out option, and now you can basically sign out, and it's that simple. And that's all for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.